The Steducentre 2015 Grade 5 A&A Exam Review, Maths. Part 1. Question 1.1. 6 times 10,000 plus 8 times 1,000 plus 5 times 100 plus 3 times 1 is equal to how much? A. 6,853. B. 685,053. C. 65,503. Or D. 68,503. 1.2. The multiples of 40 between 0 and 100 are, is it A, 20 and 40, B, 40 and 80, C, 40 and 60, or D, 80 and 100? The correct answer for question 1.1 is 68,503. If you're looking at the multiples of 40 between 0 and 100, they are B, 40 and 80. The next number in the number sequence, 213,972, 214,972, 215,972 is what? A. 215,072, B. 216,982, C. 216,972, or D. 214,072. Number patterns have a relationship with each other, something in common that works for the whole pattern. In this case, the pattern is increasing by 1,000. So, the next number in the sequence is C, 216,972. Question 1.4. Which one of the following figures has 4 right angles? Is it A, B, C, or D? A right angle is a 90-degree angle. The rectangle, answer B, has got 4 right angles. Which view of the shoe is shown? Is it A, the top view, B, the side view, C, the front view, or D, the back view? The correct answer for 1.5 is D, the back view. 80 centimeters converted into millimeters is A, 800 millimeters, B, 8 millimeters, C, 1,000 millimeters, or D, 80 millimeters. When you are converting lengths, you need to realize that millimeter is mm, centimeter is cm, meter is m, and kilometer is km. There are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters in 1 meter, and 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. The following conversion chart is used for converting between the units. From millimeters to centimeters, you'll divide by 10. From centimeters to meters, you'll divide by 100. And from meters to kilometers, you will divide by 1,000. 80 centimeters converted into millimeters is 800 millimeters. The value of the digit 8 in the number 785,329 is A, 8,000, B, 800,000, C, 80,000, or D, 800. Numbers have place values and each place represents something. Look at the number 59,846. The position of the number tells you that for the 6 there are 6 ones, for the 4 there are 4 tens, for the 8 there are 8 hundreds, for the 9 there are 9 thousands, for the 5 there are 5 10,000s. If you add all these together, you will get back to the original total. We have 8 10,000s. So the value of the digit 8 in 785,329 is C, 80,000. 15,147 rounded off to the nearest 1,000 is A, 15,150, B, 16,000, C, 15,100, or D, 15,000. When you're rounding to the nearest 1,000, numbers ending in 00, 100s, 200s, 300s, and 400s get rounded down. Numbers ending in 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, and 900s get rounded up. So here's a couple examples. 2,837 will get rounded up to 3,000, or 1,868 will get rounded up to 2,000. So the correct answer here is D, 15,000. Which one of the following shows all the factors of 18? We've got A, 2, 3, 6, and 9, B, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18, C, 18, 36, and 54, and D, 2 and 9. Factors. These are numbers that are multiplied together to get a product. So a factor times a factor is equal to a product. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are all examples of factors for 12. In our question, the correct answer is B, where 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 are all factors of 18. Complete the given number sequence below. 1004, 1002, 1000, space, space, 994. And question 3, if 38 plus 15 is equal to 53, then 53 minus 15 is equal to what? Number patterns have a relationship with each other, something in common that works for the whole pattern. In this case, the pattern is decreasing by 2 units. 1004, 1002, 1000, 998, 996, 994. And question 3, 53 minus 15 is equal to 38. Complete the table. We have an input and an output value. 1 and then 4, 2 and then 7, 3 and then 10, 6, and what is the next number for your output value? Question 5, complete 20 divided by 25 is equal to what over 5? You need to find the equivalent fraction. The difference between each of the values is 3. You must multiply the input with 3, then add 1 to get your output. So your example is 3 times 3 plus 1 is 10. 6 times 3 plus 1 is 19. So you can complete your table with the number 19. Question 5, the equivalent fraction is 4 over 5. So 20 over 25 is the same as 4 over 5. 84,509 plus 33,095. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus the 1 you carried is equal to 10. Put down the 0, carry 1. 5 plus 0 is 5 plus the 1 you carried is 6. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. The correct answer is 117,604. 96,974 minus 5,381. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. Then you say 7 minus 8. You can't, so you borrow 10 and it becomes 17 minus 8, which is equal to 9. 9 minus the 1 you took away minus 3 is equal to 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. So the answer is 91,593. 547 times 42. When we do multiplication, we need to know our times table. So 2 times table is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And we need to know our 4 times table in this case. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So 2 times 7 is 14. You put down the 4 and carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 you carried is equal to 9. 2 times 5 is 10, which you put down. You put down the 0 for the tens place. Then it becomes 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Put down the 8, carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is equal to 18. Put down the 8, carry the 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 1 you carried is 21. Then you add. The total is going to be 22,974. 774 divided by 18. Here you need to know your 18 times table. 18, 36, 54, and 72. You'll then say 18 goes into 7, it cannot go. 18 goes into 77 4 times, which is 72. 77 minus 72 will give you 5. You then bring down your 4. 18 goes into 54 3 times. 3 times 18 is 54, and there is no remainder. 5 and 2 over 7 plus 3 and 5 over 7 will give you what? And 6.6, 6 minus 4 and 3/4 will give you what? One way you could do this is to add the whole numbers together and then add the fractions. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 over 7 plus 5 over 7 is equal to 7 over 7, which is the same as a whole number, which is 1. So 8 plus 1 will equal to 9. 6.6. 6 minus 4 and 3/4. If you do the whole numbers first, 6 minus 4, you will have 2. And if you say 2 minus the 3/4, you can then convert it into a fraction. So 2 becomes 8/4 minus 3/4. You are then left with 5/4, which is 1 1/4. Thank you for watching the Steducentre, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.